guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than any video I've ever filmed on my channel before. I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I cleaned up my space. I live in New York City, so you can imagine the apartments are super micro size, but here I'm going to be showing you guys how I pretty much straightened up my apartment, my room, tried to make it look as beautiful and as my type of style as I can, given the space that I have. Little bit of a disclaimer: I have a lot of clothes, and so majority of this video is going to literally just be me organizing my clothes, putting some clothes in my drawer, in my dresser, putting some clothes in my closet, and just really organizing my clothes. I have a lot of clothes, both winter clothes and summer clothes, in between season types of clothes. So sometimes I find that it's a little bit nerve-wracking to kind of keep everything organized, and so I'm going to just be showing you guys how I organize some of my clothes. All the clothes you guys saw at the beginning, those are all freshly washed clothes. I just needed to go ahead and sort them and organize them, which is why they were kind of splattered all over my bed. But definitely feel free to continue to enjoy this video. I'm going to be showing you guys some stuff I got, and at the end I'm going to be showing you guys the finished look, the finished results of this deep clean. I find cleaning to be very therapeutic. I find cleaning to be very healing, especially after the fact when your space is clean. It's just an act of self-care to make sure that the place that you are going to be living in is clean and fresh and organized and not cluttered. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it encourages you to clean up your space or to jazz up your space. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the video so far in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys again at the end of the video. Peace. You think something, I just wanna chill, I don't wanna feel. But I can see this coming and I should've known better. I should've known better. Trust me, I'm not frontin' if I'm not feeling ya. Think it in your feelings, yeah. You can't make me love you if I don't. You can't make me love you if I won't. You can't change my So I just wanted to get on here real quick to share my thoughts about just self-care and cleaning your space in general. It's not giving Mother Teresa. It's not giving Reverend Al Sharpton teas. It's not giving preach, but it's giving, let me share this message with you guys. And honestly, cleaning your space is, I think, one of the ultimate acts of self-care. Making sure that you are in a clean environment just mirrors back and kind of proves and shows to yourself that you actually care about the space that you reside in. It's almost like a pleasant act to your body, to yourself, to make sure that you are in a clean space, just like it's a pleasant act to make sure that your body is clean every single day. And we shower every single day to make sure that our bodies are physically clean, and the surface of our bodies are clean. That's actually an act of self-care. And so it's the same thing when it comes to cleansing your space, making sure your room is organized. It is a direct reflection of how you value yourself. I personally feel like I am that girl, that one, that B, whatever you want to call her. I'm a queen and all that jazz. So I deserve to be in a space that is clean and that is, beautiful and just, organized. It makes me feel content and comfortable to be in. And so, yeah, before I did this deep clean, my room was like literally messy for like 2, 3 days. And I don't know what the science behind this is, but whenever my room is messy, I just don't really feel very productive. I just don't feel very happy because it's like I can't come back to my resting place and really genuinely rest. It's like I'm resting. I can't rest in my room because it's messy. So I'm like in the living room or, somewhere else. So I just wanted to get on here to say to the girls, clean your room, take care of your space. Even if you have a small space, even if you have a super large space, as long as you have a space to lay your head at night, that's something to be grateful for. And make sure that your room is clean, it's smelling good, it's feeling good, everything is organized. We don't got cups and forks and spoons and paper plates under the motherfucking bed. It's not giving projects, like it's giving clean. And even if you're in a projects, make sure your room is clean. Period. So, yeah, I just wanted to get on here to say my little piecey, but I hope this video is not boring and it's entertaining you guys. It was definitely therapeutic for me to do. At the end, when I completed my room and I made that little video, it just felt so good that my room was clean and I slept so great that night in my, newly kind of clean room. So definitely love that for me. Definitely think you guys should try it. And yeah, enjoy the rest of this video, y'all. See you guys in the end. Who would have thought I'd get you? If I don't say nothing, what would make you think something? I just wanna chill, I don't wanna feel. But I can see this coming and I should've known better. I should've known better. Trust me, I'm not frontin' if I'm not feeling ya. Think it in your feelings, yeah. You can't make me love you if I don't. You can't make me love you if I won't. You can't change my heart. You're trying too hard. You can't make me love.
just wanna chill, I don't wanna feel. But I can see this coming and I should've known better. I should've known better. Trust me, I'm not frontin' if I'm not feeling ya. Don't get any feelings, yeah. You can't make me love you if I don't. You can't make me love you if I won't. You can't change my heart. You're trying too hard. You can't make me love.
All right, boom. So this is the finished result, I guess you could say, of how my room looked once it was crispy clean. Nothing in my room is too fancy. I have this little shelf I got from like Target or something. These little little like kind of storage, iridescent cases that I purchased when I was in college a really long time ago. That vase is from TJ Maxx along with those little fake flowers in it. This is my bed. It's summertime, so I just like to keep my bedding just kind of simple, white sheet. All my pillows are from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So is that hanging vase on the wall and that little pineapple vase in the corner. On the other side of my room, you see my TV and my little desk area. Everything on top of the desk is from either Burlington or TJ Maxx. That is literally where I get majority of my decor pieces. I find that they have the best quality decor pieces for the best price. That little tree that you see in the corner, that's not a fake tree. That's actually a real tree that I got from like my local supermarket. That lamp, excuse me, is actually my mom's, but we don't have anywhere to put it, so it's just kind of like in my room. And this is probably my favorite part of my whole room, and it's actually this bookshelf that I got from Target, and I use it only to just store my bags. So I don't actually use it for books. I just use it to store my bags so that I'm not just throwing my bags into my closet and messing up the quality of them. This is literally my favorite part of my room, and it literally only cost me like $40 to buy that bookshelf. This is my dresser. Everything on the dresser down to the makeup organizer is from either Amazon, TJ Maxx, or Burlington. This tray was from TJ Maxx. That plant was from Five Below. Everything is pretty much really inexpensive. Nothing too fancy. I like to keep things kind of minimal but still kind of girly. So I have some, jewelry holders and things like that. But this is pretty much the overall finished result of how my room looked once I was able to deep cleanse it. I live in New York City, so I don't have a super big room, but I do think that I make the best of the space that I do have, and I'm, overall satisfied with my room. I hope this was able to help you and encourage you to clean your space. Definitely let me know how you guys like the video down below, and I'll see you guys in a later one. Peace.